to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Suppose if you have turned your Instagram account to professional account, then today I'll be showing you the easy method to switch back to personal account on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will get an idea to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, open Instagram app and make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. And once you have gone on this page, you need to select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, professional dashboard, that means we have turned on the professional mode or the business account on Instagram. So to turn it off or to switch back to personal account, tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. On this page, you need to simply and under for professional, select creator tools and control. Now once you reach on this page, scroll down all the way down and select switch account type. Now select switch to personal account at the bottom of the screen, and to confirm again, tap on switch to personal account option. Wait for a while until it gets switched to personal account. And as you can see and check on your profile that the professional dashboard has already been removed. That means we have switched our professional account back to the personal account on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.